don't record this. Please or something. I don't know. Oh my God, it's cold. Ah, it's raining. I'm going back over here. Yeah. No. No! How to do it? You want to leave me alone? Fuck you in the ass. I'm running to the front where they got the big trees. Oh my God, look. Oh wow. It's crazy. All the trees went down, and the basketball goal, and the trash cans flew over there. Hold on, you put that there.
Hello, this is Tyler Romero.
Let's look down the road.
Oh, crap.
You touched my ass. I kicked your ass. Sex. Oh my God, it's hot.
Wow.
I miss the backyard. Don't you miss the backyard?
No.
I miss the backyard. Every time I want to miss the backyard, I don't know why. My screen is pressing buttons. I do not know why. Now it's quiet. It's calming down, and then it gets bad again. Oh my God. I don't know what's wrong with it. Oh, them trees over there. Oh, what was that? So crazy. You look like Jesus.
That's down.
It's a baby shoe.